Today our topic is on output functions in PHP. There are different types of output functions are there in PHP. The first function is print function. The first function is, what is the function? Print function. This function displays outputs on browser and returns a boolean value that is true if output is printed successfully, otherwise false. Otherwise this function returns false. Next, by using print, we cannot print multiple statements at a time with a single print statement. It is not possible to print multiple statements by taking the help of single print statement. A small note: in PHP, the value of true is 1 and false means no value. False means no value. This is very important note. In PHP, the value of true is 1 and false means no value. And now we'll see a simple example on how can we create a PHP program by taking the help of a print function. Therefore here I am taking $PHP $a is equal to print ABC, and now I want to print $a. Therefore here I am printing $a, print within the double quotations. For getting a new line, use break tag, and after that print $a. This is a simple example. For print function. This is a simple example for print function. Now we'll see the same example and we'll see how can we get the outputs. Okay, look at here. Yesterday we have already created a project in PHP. The name of the project is exam.hu docs. What is the name of the project I have created? Any idea? My app, right? My app is the folder name I have created. In this folder, we are already having a test document. Open the test document and start writing your coding parts. Therefore, here in this part, I am using what? Less than $PHP and greater than. Here, I want to print what? $a is equal to print hello next. And now after printing the next value successfully, the return type of the print is 1, the boolean value. If it is true means it displays 1. Therefore here I am using print. What statement I have used here? Break. After printing the break value, immediately I am writing what here? $. Okay, let me check this. I click on go to file and type this as demo1 dot. What is the extension? PHP. After saving this file successfully, open the exam control panel and start Apache as well as MySQL. After starting those things, open the browser part and type here for what? Localhost / my app / what is the program name? demo1.php. See, whenever I am printing here demo1, is there or not there? Demo1.php is again storing with what extension? Text extension. Therefore once again go here, file, save as, and use double quotations at the starting of the file and ending of the file. Once again save this After saving this one successfully, execute this. What is the output we are getting? Hello next. And at last it is printing what value? 1. 1 means what is the value? True. 1 is the boolean value. It represents true. It represents true.